Welcome back to 2 Minute Tuesday, where we show you something in the sign and graphics industry in 2 minutes or less. And today we're going to show you what you need to do to prep your vehicle and the area for a wrap. So put 2 minutes on the clock. Let's get started. Step one is going to be to clean the car. So for that, we just use soap and water. So if you're going to take it to a self-wash station, you're just going to want to make sure that you're only using water and soap, no wax or anything like that. If you're going to drive it through a car wash, again, just pick the base option. Make sure you're not getting any wax or anything like that on the car, because you're going to have to scrub that off anyways. Step two is to prep your area. So what we did is sweep the floors, and then we run a floor cleaner, which is using water and soap to clean the floors. What we're trying to do is get as much dust out as possible. You probably don't have a floor cleaner. Next best option is going to be to just mist the floor with water and then wet squeegee it out. If you can do those two things, you're going to get most of the dust out, which is going to help, because when you peel the liner off of the vinyl, it's going to pull the dust off the floor and onto the vehicle, and you're going to have to get it off. The next step is going to be to clean your vehicle once again. So pull it in to where you're going to wrap it, and you're just going to use water and soap. So for us, we just use Dawn dish soap and water in a spray bottle. And from there, you're just going to wash the whole vehicle by hand with a towel. And after that, if you still have like little specks or stuff when you're feeling the hood, you can come back and use a clay bar. We recommend just doing straight strokes. Don't circle, circle, circle on it, as you're just going to end up spreading it all over the hood. The last step after you've done those, right before you wrap, is you're going to come back and spray it with isopropyl alcohol. The percentage you use doesn't matter nearly as much. It will evaporate faster the higher percentage you use, which just means you're going to have to wipe it faster or slower if you used a 50%. After you've done all of those steps, you're ready to wrap the vehicle like we've done with this one here. So hopefully that's helpful. Hopefully it gives you an idea of what you need to do to prepare yourself to wrap a full vehicle, whether that's commercial or color change. The process is the same for either of them. Thanks for watching, guys. See you in the next video.